So the sun is up. It's already 10:30. We need to go here. It's very steep. Like I said, it's only one route. What we did before, we will be doing it again. The wind is so nice. But this one is easy. The harder is on the other side. This one is fine. You have some trail here. The other one is kind of slippery. Don't think about not going here because there's no way. Someone already tried. They go back and then they come back again on top. You see the stone. They're here.